Hi guys, I'm back with another video. Today I'm going to show you how to repurpose your cardboard boxes into beautiful storage baskets. In this video I'm going to show you how I used a shoe box and also an Amazon box. First I'll cut the top flap of the shoe box. Don't throw it away because you will need it. Remove all the extra edges and keep the flat part. For the Amazon box, remove all the 4 flaps and stick the longer 2 ones with the tape. Make sure it fits inside the box. If it does not, you may trim it. It is important that it fits. After this, I measured 2 sides of the shoe box on a fabric and folded it into double so it covers all the 4 sides. Make sure you give a margin of 2 to 3 inches for the overlap. Then I measured the height of the box on the fabric with a margin of 1 inch and folded it into half again to make it double. I didn't use a tape to measure these dimensions and just used the ballpark. Then I cut the fabric in the folded sections. Next I'm going to cut the fabric for the insert. I laid down the fabric, put the cardboard flap on it and cut with a margin of 1 to 1.5 inch on all 4 sides. I cut 4 squares on all 4 sides of the fabric. And then I used glue to stick the fabric on the flap. This is the reason why I cut the 4 squares for a cleaner corner. Then I'm gonna stick the fabric we cut earlier on the box. I am going to leave 2 inch margin on the bottom and sticking the fabric with the glue on all 4 sides. On the 4th side, the fabric will overlap. Keeping 1.5 inch of fabric extra, we need to fold and glue it. Here looks like I have much more extra fabric, but no worries. I'm gonna keep a 1.5 margin and cut the fabric. For the bottom part, I'm using jute fabric, but you can use any upholstery fabric or stick fabric. For the width, I'm using the same technique, but no margin and 3.5 inch high panel. Then I will start sticking it from one corner of the box with the glue. You can also use glue gun to stick this. Repeat this step on all 4 sides. Since I did not leave any margin, it should end exactly from where I started sticking this. I use these baskets in my closet, in my dresser. Putting all the extra fabric inside, I placed the insert carefully in the box. This is what it finally looks like. If you found this video helpful, please give me a like. It helps my video reach a bigger audience. Thanks for watching. Subscribe.